Simon Yeong, under the ASEAN Engineering Register. Also the affiliation to the ASEAN Federation of Engineering Organization. And then our good friend Sifu, Engineer Chee is the president of the Institute of Engineers, PUJA. PUJA is a Persatuan Juruku Institute and Architect, Prof. Darussalam. And our friend Sakda is a advisor Industrial Engineering Committee at the Engineering Institute of Thailand, or so-called EIT. And I'm representing the Institution of Engineers Malaysia. You see how we're having this foundation, the friendship. So today, I think the gentleman here will share about something about the AI initiative in their country. Thank you. I think we missed out the one gentleman, Engineer Chee. Right?
Very good afternoon, everyone. Simon Yeong here, and today I am given the assignment as the moderator for this session. I think it's a final session, so I know it's getting late, and especially these hours is everyone also getting a bit sleepy. But be assured, once we complete this, the coffee and tea are ready for you all before you take off, right? Okay, so Engineer Chee is on my left. Then we have Mr. Sarapatwittaya, right? Yeah. And none other than our engineer professor, Dr. Chee. Okay. I think today the topic that was given to me to moderate is the ASEAN engineering session under the AI in engineering case studies at ASEAN. Right. So before that, everyone is having your mic in front of you. So on this topic, to my understanding, we are talking about diving into an exciting theme of this AI in engineering case study. And I believe across the region, this AI, the artificial intelligence, is no longer a distant idea. It has been applied in engineering practice, shaping industries, accelerating innovations, and creating sustainable solutions. So I will have the first panel. I believe you have a presentation by our engineer Chee, the president of the Institution of Engineer PUJA, Brunei. All yours, Engineer Chee.
Hello, good afternoon. The time is quite late, 4:40. According to our time frame in my company, 4:30, I already log off, no more working. So, however, I'm in Malaysia. I know Malaysians like to work as long as you can work. For us, Bruneian, we will take work as part of our life. We work so-called balance of life. However, due to the fantastic IEM invitation, I do not mind to spend extra working hour without additional gaji. Okay, yeah. So my name is Chee. I'm the president of the Institute of Engineer, PUJA, Brunei. PUJA is Bahasa Melayu. In the full term, Pertubuhan Uku Jurutelah dan Architect. I'm in charge of the Engineer Institute. So apart from as a president of the Institute of Engineer of Brunei, I'm also the co-chairman of the digital transformation appointed by the Ministry of Development. This is my second title. The third title, I'm also a consulting engineer. I own a consulting engineering company which covers civil, structural, mechanical, electrical, bridge, project management consultancy services. In addition to that, I also have another company which is called OMC Systems, particularly focused in information technology. This is my third title. The fourth title, I'm very proud to tell you, I'm also a PhD student in one of the best university in Southeast Asia, Kuala Lumpur University of Science and Technology. Why? I chose KLUST because previously it was called Infrastructure University Kuala Lumpur, because it's infrastructure. Anything talking in the world is infrastructure, because I'm an infrastructure engineer. Why I chose KLUST? Because according to my research, according to my friend, all the professor, lecturer, the administration staff are very friendly. I thought it's only talking, but indeed I enrolled 2000. I don't want to tell you which year, otherwise you know when can I get right. So as soon as I enroll, it's a true fact. The first day I went to KLUST, the administration, the international department, so friendly, because I'm also teaching in UST. So that touched my heart. It's not boasting about my own university, KLUST, it's a true fact. The third one, the supervisor that guiding me, also a very friendly guy, a friendly gentleman, right? Apart from this one, anytime I have a problem, I also talk to the postgraduate department, right? This is my fourth title. So today I will try to bring you to say, I don't dare to say that I'm giving some very advanced learning or teaching. So I'm talking about the AI initiative of Brunei. So the title is quite short. So I'm talking about the positioning for responsible and inclusive digital transformation. Next slide, please. So in terms of the national content of Brunei, Brunei Darussalam is the full name. So in short, I call it Brunei. Do you know the meaning of Darussalam? Those who are not good in Bahasa Melayu, you want me to explain to you? Darussalam means peaceful. Brunei is a very peaceful country. If you don't believe me, please come. We will welcome you, right? No visa. Malaysian go to Brunei, no need visa. So we have a master plan guided by Digital Economic Master Plan 2025 and Post-2025 Roadmap. In addition to that, we have an AI position as a strategic enabler for economic diversification, service modernization, and competitiveness. The lead agency is under the Authority for Info Communication Technology Industry, which is called AITI, right? Of course, this is also, the master plan is developed by the Ministry of Communication and Information, right? So next slide, please. So in August 2025, which was last month, we host an artificial intelligence governance seminar. It is proven by our newspaper. AI should be used responsibly, Brunei senior officer. So in this conference or synopsis, the artificial intelligence governance synopsis in Bandar Seri Begawan, the capital of Brunei. Next. So we have this governance and policy. The AI governance ethics guideline has been developed and published. This is a transparency, fairness, and accountability and inclusivity. So this is cover about the multi-stakeholder dialogue, personal data protection law. We also have a personal data protection law 2025 is under development now. So we also have a cyber security oversight by Brussels. So Brunei, not only a very peaceful country, but in terms of AI, networking, you will feel very safe. Hardly, but I cannot say 100%. Hardly, you will get scam telephone. It will detect. But I received yesterday one telephone, I don't know who called me in Malaysia. Right. Next slide. So AI is under the news again in our scope. AI will be central to next digital master plan. So our digital economic master plan is going to end this year, 2025, which was launched 5 years ago. But last month, we already have a post-2025 roadmap for another 5 years. Next slide, please. So in terms of public sector adoption, under the Prime Minister Office, we have a smart recruitment system. We have a Stratetos AI toolkits, Intel and Commonwealth Secretariat. Darussalam Asset is an agency, government-linked company, which is called Darussalam Asset. So it's driven for HR, CV tracing, job matching. In terms of this one, I can share with you my personal experience because my company, I own a consulting company, Jutra OMC. So recently, I recruit 4 fresh graduates. No need advertisement. We have an agency called Job Center, right? We call it Job Center. We call it iReady. So my company secretary log in. I need 4 more additional engineers. The government agency will help me to look for the respective engineer that I need. Of course, I need to give them what is the scope description. Within 1 month, they already helped me to find 4 engineers. Non-interview, because the matching is very good. So they already started 1st August in my company. So I have increased my manpower with the help of Brunei government through an agency called iReady. This is the AI matching. Okay. I think with my colleague here from Brunei, engineer Iskandar sitting there, I think he's also a boss of a consulting engineer. Even though we are consulting engineer, different company, but we are very friendly competitor. We are brother also. His company also taking iReady engineer, right? Matching by the government. It's a true fact. So with the help of government, with the help of AI, we're matching engineer, right? Then one thing good about this, I can share with you, the first 1 year plus 6 months, 18 months, right? As a company, private company, I do not need to give salary. No need. Through this agency, I recruit many engineers for the 16 months. Government pay the salary for me. This is to help private sector to survive. And also helping our fresh engineer to gain and learn practical experience. Right, next. So under this Prime Minister Office, also announced that during the report of LECO means our Legislative Council, embrace AI to improve public service efficiency. 2 new AI initiatives include a smart recruitment. See, this is a smart recruitment screening process, which I mentioned just now, and toolkits for formulating government policy. Next. So in terms of capacity building, we also have an AI-ready ASEAN program under our UTB, University Technology. It's a bahasa Melayu, University Technology Brunei. English is University Technology of Brunei. Technology. So we are targeting to 20,000 Bruneian by this year to train this AI, which is this year. And also another university Brunei Darussalam, AI integration across curricula. They already started teaching AI digital transformation as part of the subject in any discipline. Upskilling initiative, bootcamp, new camp AI essential for work. Next. This is one of our newspaper talking about AI integration across curricula, right? Next. Sectoral application, healthcare, predictive diagnosis, automation. In terms of this one, every Bruneian in our handphone, we have these apps. The green color one on my left hand side, we call it Blue Health. Everybody have this data inside this Blue Health. Your previous medical record, your sickness, when is your appointment with a doctor, hospital, it's recorded here. You can anytime make appointment, check your record, all this data. A smart city, traffic, urban management, I think this is quite common nowadays. Finance, agriculture. Right, next. Next slide, please. Yeah. So it's another newspaper. How AI is helping government company in Brunei Darussalam cut costs and improve efficiency. Particularly, I am in the construction industry. Despite that, we are talking about AI, digital transformation. However, the implementation of this digital transformation in the construction industry is not as advanced as the financial sector or manufacturing sector. We are still low. However, it's a time for us to pick up. Next. Strategic outlook. Next. Summary. That's all. Thank you.
And Gina Chin, thank you for your insight. Since you are still holding a mic just now, maybe I start off with you. Since you have been presenting, is there any other slide presentation? Oh, okay. I think we will let's do with the slide presentation first. Then we will have the questions regarding the presentation on the follow-up. So may I have Mr. Sakda? Maybe you start off with some introduction of yourself.
Yes.
And then your presentation. While they get the presentation slide ready for you. Please.
Okay. Yeah, thank you so much for the moderator that now is the era of the AI. So I have a lot of slides today, but I will go quick for the AI program that will finish my slide within 5 minutes. And this will have your material in order for you to dig it through for a part of the AI. My keyword for today is about how to make AI in manufacturing in Thailand and connecting with ASEAN and also together with China as well. Okay, we go quite quick slide. I need from the slide team to go quite quick on this. Okay, my background, you can go further for slide just around next please. Yeah. My background is about the engineering that do more for the automation and also do much more. Next please. Okay, we can start with the sustainable goal. For sure, every all of this we need as AI for at one. Okay, next one please. We start from this because of the productivity and engineering will come to be the real one and related with your life. Next please. Okay, this is my passion. I'm following for the gift to have the passion and will come to be the passion to be gift. Like if we talk about for the AI, we have the one function is called reinforcement. Once you give, you get the passion. Once you get passion, you give for the gift. It's a circle that is start for the AI just introduction. Next please. Okay, this is my background about the engineering and also next please. I'm joined as a part of the EIT, Engineering Institution of Thailand. Next please. And also together with Thai Chamber of Commerce as a part of the Committee of Robotics and AI. Next please. Next one please. We have the program for we call Smart Business that build robotic automation and AI in Thailand that we have done and start with. Also, I'm joined with Federal Thai of Industrial that they have around 75,000 factory and manufacturing. Next please. Also, next please. And also one of the association we call Thai Automation and Robotic Association. Most of them, they are the system integrator, around 130 that they are helping and support for Thai and ASEAN industry as well. Next please. And also together with the Thai intralogistic, especially for intralogistic with the pick and place and conveyor system. Next please. Okay, and together with the Thai subcontracting promotion, that most of them are the automotive tier 2 and tier 3 part for the automotive part in Thailand and connect with a lot of the connectivity with another country as well, around 500 countries. Next, please. And also be joy with the system analysis that we have the program for analysis for the system in automation, robotics, and some part of the AI and new generation for the sustainability. We now have a group around 300 people that pass for this program. Next, please. Okay, next one, please. A part of the neck and connectivity that we would like to share to you about that we cannot do alone because AI is too wide. So we have to concern about the blue gear, a part of the first generation for the manufacturing and products. The second one, we are the generating of the system integrator and the maker. And also we not avoid about the generating for the people degree and also high skill leader. Now I have to connect for all things because of we cannot do it as a part of the one part and also even single part. We have to make the collaboration. It's not is only in Thailand. We connect all as a part of the one part we call ASEAN, Thailand, and also ASEAN Plus. Next, please. Okay, some activity we have been connect with China for opportunity intelligent robot program in Thailand, in China. And next one, please. And also in Shenzhen as well, a part of this. Next, please. Okay, this will be the highlight for you that we talk about for the GDP per capita that we need to escape for the middle income trap. Luckily that Singapore and Malaysia already passed over for the rich country already, but the rest of country, they still require to escape on this. So I make the exploration about this program. Okay, next please. We have to think about that if we would like to reach to be the rich country, what we gonna do? If we do nothing, especially we talk about Thailand first, we have at least only 60 years, we can be the rich country. But if we have a program come together with robotics, automation, and AI driven, we can be the rich country only 12 years. Okay, I will come to you later on this program. Next, please. Okay, next one, please. Okay, here this is called the campaign we call Exit 123. This one of the program that World Development Report already gives you the solution. We have the one target that we would like to go for the target to be the rich country. You can go back a little bit. Yeah, the next one you have to go to step transition about not only investment, not only infusion, but you have to make the innovation as well. And we do more for investment, infusion, and innovation together. It depends on that you be the lower mid or upper mid income. Next, please. Okay, next one, please. Okay, in the general, you can see the number of the GDP per capita. But if your country, in ASEAN country, we can think about to cut the rich man with one person from the example in Thailand from around 20,000 Thai baht average now. But if we cut 10,000, the middle income tab will have divide by 3 around 7,000. You can compare what is exactly for the GDP per capita, and then you think about how to make the productivity up and also eliminate for the waste with AI and solution in the engineering. Next, please. Okay, next one, please. Okay, next, please. Okay, here show you for the ASEAN FDI that can see the radar chart about the competitiveness and the highlight that you can get my slide later on this. Next, please. Okay, one of the program that can accelerate the GDP per capita, we call Board of Investment Program. We will have the policy support with the smart and sustainability. This program will help the country and also the SME company to grow up for the GDP per capita also. Next, please. Okay, here we show you for the target industry in Thailand that we forgot for the new S curve, and I would like to have you much more for intelligent electronic. That means the PCB or semiconductor, next generation automotive, even for data center, EV, automation, robotic, digital, and logistic. Here will be the next curve that I will tell you more about how to make the next generation of humanoid that we call embodied intelligent robot. Not only one industry. Next, please. Okay, I think I have only 1 or 2 minutes on this. Next, please. Yeah. Okay, here we show you we need to think about that, how to make it done in the reality. We start to make simulation. We need to design for the system architecture and make it for the deployment. This gives you very quick. Next, please. Okay, this is some of the machinery that will show you and give you the information about the robotics, digitalization, warehouse, and also even the energy. Next, please. Okay, this show you for some example. Next one, please. This is not talk about AI, but in the reality, AI already inside, but it's not AI yet. But they more talk about the control system, decision, and also the sensoring on this. Next, please. Okay, you can go quite next on this. Next one, please. Yeah, next, please. Yeah, this give you very quick. And next, please. Okay, this is about the equipment that we have to collaborate with ASEAN, China, and also in our country. Next, please. Okay. Okay, next, please. Okay, here I would like to share to you that what we have started in Thailand. Okay, next one, please. I have been sometime to doing the analysis that we start not all of the manufacturing, but we start as a part of the logistic or intra-logistic. We have done a little bit for the exercise with the feasibility study. Next, please. If we have the people, at least 5 people, staff in the morning and the night shift for 10 people in total, and with one driving for the forklift. But if we can replace them with 2 humanoid, we can make at least 3.5 year payback period right now for the technology humanoid together with the real one. Next one, please. Okay, and here we show you not just only for the two leg for the humanoid, we have quadruped technology. Next one, please. Okay, this one show you for the humanoid, and next, please. And also with the education one as well. Next, please. Okay, I have been to connect with a lot of the humanoid manufacturer that they are very well done for the technology right now, but the technology is still early stage. That I would like to share to you that not only hardware, we need to cooperate with the software side, and we need to cooperate with the system integrator in China. They call developer, that we have to make it together on this. Next, please. Okay, next one, please. Okay, and now we start to make the one small community we call Humanoid Thailand, to make the community that who interest for the humanoid and start to go with. And after this, we would like to invite everybody for each country to start on this, and we may think about to have the humanoid ASEAN or ASEAN part together, how to make the collaborate together. Next, please. Okay, this one we share you that we have been since last year. There's a lot of the humanoid embodied intelligent robot. Next one, please. Okay, and next one, please. I'm be a part of the event. That event not have any robot on that time. Next, please. Okay. Next, please. Okay, here we show you for the potential partner list that there have a lot of these that you will know later on this as well. Next, please. Okay, and next one, please. This is show you for next one, please. It's some of the example like assembly line, and I have an opportunity to have more AI and humanoid in the next session on October. That if you have a time, we can meet each other on this. Okay. I think for the presentation that can give you for the guideline how to start with the engineering in the humanoid and AI. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Sakda, for your insight presentation, especially on what we call the automation in the industry sector.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So next, let's go to our Professor Tan Chee Fai.
Yes. Okay, thank you. 1709. I finished by 1715. Please, the slide. Just talking about in general the policy level AI initiative in ASEAN. So the topic for today for me to present to you is ASEAN roles in shaping global AI governance, innovation, trust, and collaboration. Next one. Next one. Okay, ASEAN vision, I think most of you know. ASEAN's 10+1 now. The last one is the plus one is Timor-Leste. So global influence because with 600 million of population plus, right? And rapidly growing of the digital economy, as well as a lot of industry booming for nowadays. I just saw my mentor, David Cole, already show you the why, right? And then showing the chess, China and us, China and US, right? Is one of the factors. Next one. So AI is rising and impact the world because of rapid advancement. Mr. David Cole and some of the experts were sharing about the advancement in the semicon. I think Dr. Peng was sharing about insightful information about the semiconductor, right? And as well as Mr. David Cole. The advancement in the chips become smaller and smaller. I think 2 nanometer size like that, and as well as the processing power, the usage of the GPU from NVIDIA, really pushing the limit of the technology adoption, as well as the cost going down. Global impact, actually, I think most of the speakers for today is sharing about this topic. Impact, very impactful. Not just a ChatGPT by itself, a lot of AI application in robotic, drone, EV, AMR, etc., etc. The many applications. Our friend from FGV already went back, right? The application in agriculture, smart city, smart manufacturing, etc. Challenges and opportunities. Yes, AI offer immense potential of focus, but also create challenges in terms of the ethics and then governance. Okay, next one. So opportunity and challenges for ASEAN in the AI era. First, economic growth. We have pool of talent is growing. So like the Brunei, I think the Brunei have a government initiative to increase the number and work with the corporate like the Google.org, right? To train the Bruneian towards Thailand at 20,000 per how many years? 5 years. And then Malaysia as well, with the National AI Office, NIO, and the My Digital, and we have the Digital Minister, YB Kopin Teo, right? And a lot of initiative, even today, ISOP Stone, and etc., etc. Okay, they're coming in, actually, not just doing business, as well as to create an ecosystem, okay, the entire supply chain. And then the governance concern, of course, a lot of policy in place. And the digital divide, this one regarding the access on the technologies and resources across the ASEAN member. Of course, this morning, I think one of the speakers, experts, talking about AI vending, AI vend. You just a vending machine, right? You pay the money, you use the AI for a certain application. However, it's not that easy. You need to pull data to train the AI for a certain job. Like just like a human robot. Actually, what the human robot lacking is data. What do we data? The data like how the human responds. Okay, I want to drink. I take up the cup to drink. This kind of thing. Very responsive. It's just a matter of time. Next one. And then next slide. And then policy. There are a lot of policy in place in I think many countries in ASEAN, like Malaysia, we have AI policy, AI ethics, and then etc. And then data protection. I think just how I think our Brunei friend here in the Chee sharing about the Brunei cybersecurity, right? Policy. Malaysia also have it. And this morning, also talking about the YBTO. What can you remember for this morning? The scam, right? The fake AI deep fake. FLKE, not deep seek, deep fake, FLKE. Yes. You know what happened in Indonesia, right? What he say, right? What he say. Next one. And then air policy in ASEAN economies. Next one. Yeah, this is Malaysia. Malaysia National AI Roadmap 2021, 2025. Okay, next one. And then this one, National Guideline on AI Governance and Ethics. Next one. And then Singapore, Model AI Governance Framework for Generative AI. And then we have AI for the public good for Singapore and the world. Next one. And then Thailand National AI Strategy and Action Plan, right? 2022 to 2027. Next one. And then Digital Thailand AI Ethics Guideline. Okay, we must not misuse the technology like AI. Okay, only for good, but not for the bad thing. Next one. So comparison, this is a list of the air policy in place from Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, and Indonesia. Indonesia with some of the others similar. Next one. So fostering innovation and collaboration in ASEAN AI ecosystem. First, R&D, collaborate in R&D. And then talent development, I think from morning until now, you heard a lot. Talent. People. I think just now, I think the Forum 1, I think my good friend, Patricia Chung also talk about this, and then Tati Loyola and the team. Yeah, people. You have technology, but you still need people to do something, operate it, etc. Industry partnership, very important. Okay, I think in Malaysia, I think we talk about UNC industry partnership or UNC industry government, and CSO. CSO is a civil society organization. Few parties cooperate. Okay, next one. And then next one. Next. Yeah, next one. Okay, we talk about transparency, accountability, fairness and equity, safety, security, and human oversight. This one actually to make sure the AI is used in a good place. Next one. Next. Yeah, I think next one. Next. Yeah, future governance need to be there in place so that AI use for the good thing. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thanks, Professor Tan Chee Fai, on your sharing to everyone here. We are on the AI era, on the opportunity and the challenges for our ASEAN region. We still have 30 minutes. We have to end the session by 5:30.
3 minutes.
3 minutes. I think it has been a long day. I think it's time for me to wrap it up because I do smell the coffee. So it has been a long day talking about what we call these AI, ASEAN-China AI conventions. And just now, our 3 panelists here have been sharing with us the ASEAN engineering case study on the AI. Especially, we have the challenges in the construction sector, as well as the manufacturing automations. And lastly, I think our Professor Tan Chee Fai shared us the overall on the opportunity, as well as the challenges that we are facing in these ASEAN regions for the AI era. So I would like to thank our 3 panelists for the inspiring insights on how the AI is transforming engineering across ASEAN. It is clear that AI is not just about technology. It is about people, collaborations, and building sustainable future. So let us take these lessons forward in strengthening ASEAN-China partnerships and nurturing the next generation of engineers, the AI-driven future. On behalf of the organizer, I thank you, our distinguished panelists, and all participants for joining us today. Together, let us continue engineering a smarter, more sustainable ASEAN. Please give yourself and our panelists a round of applause. Thank you.
Thank you to our presenters for this enlightening inputs, and IR Simon for moderating this session.
One last one. Okay, thank you.
All right.